Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy vine braid. First of all, I do a deep part down her left hand side and then section off that top corner of her hair and secure it with a hair tie. With the rest of the hair, I'm going to use some of my detangler spray. I'll put a link in the description box below, and I'm just spraying it to smooth it down and put it into a nice side ponytail, the opposite side of that first ponytail that we did, and just secure it off with a hair tie again. For the vine braid, you're going to need 3 sections. One section is going to be really large, and then the other 2 are going to be small. I'm just taking 2 small sections onto the right hand side. So you can see my top section is large and my next 2 are small. I'm going to go over the middle from the right hand side, and the left side goes over the middle. Now my right side goes over the middle, and the left side goes over the middle. And this is just a basic 3-strand braid, just taking the sides over the middle and then take the next side over the middle. And then after a few stitches, I'm going to just tease out the hair that's in that wider strand. So this is the widest strand of hair that I had. I'm just teasing it out to make these little waves. So you can pull this out as much as you like. You can make them really, really wavy. So I do a few more stitches and then I go back to that strand of hair that was the widest, just give it a little tease and pull it out to give that white wave shape. I do it a little bit at a time because I find that if I go to the very end, it can go a bit puckety. Okay, so when I've got enough of the braid done, I'm just tying it off to that first elastic into that side ponytail. And then there it is, done. So it's a really cute style, really, really easy. You can wear this braid in all sorts of different ways. I hope you like it. Please follow me on my other social media channels. You can find the links below in the description box. And we will see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.